In this tutorial, we will look at changing a colored image into black and white. We can make the whole image, background, or foreground into black and white. First, let's go to Elements and choose an image. Let's choose this cat. Click the photo and edit photo. Go to Adjust. We click the whole image and go down to these controls. Slide it to the left. You can see the whole image is now black and white. Reset the controls. Next we go and change it to foreground and change the same controls. You can see only the foreground is black and white. We do the same thing only to the background. If you like this, please subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.